In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Microsoft Copilot app not responding error. If you're getting this message while trying to use this app on your phone, or even when you're not using it, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. To get started, you need to go to settings on your phone, and from settings, you need to go to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Then search for Copilot, tap on it to open, and here go to for stop. Okay, this will stop any background activities that is causing this issue. Then go to clear data and clear cache. Okay, and now clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and go to your Copilot app, log in with your account, and this now should be working without any issue. However, if your app still returns the same message, then check and then see if you're using any VPN and install it, as this might be the main reason for this. Also, if you have any recently installed security app, you'll need to uninstall it and see if it works well without this. You also want to go to Google Play Store and here search for Copilot. Here is mine. I'll tap on it and check if we have any update. Update your app to the latest version. At this point, now your app should be responding without any issue, or if this was an error message, it should have gone. However, if you still have the same error message, then you need to uninstall Microsoft Copilot app and install it afresh, as this error might be caused by bugs. By doing so, now you'll have cleared your app free from bugs. So that's how you can fix this error on your phone. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.